Now that we understand when a trigger activates, there's one last thing we can add to make the learner's experience even better: a condition. A condition works like an if-then statement. If the condition is met, then the trigger runs. If it isn't, Storyline ignores that trigger. You can also stack multiple conditions. This gives you control over whether all conditions must be true or if any one of them is enough for the trigger to fire. So, when would you use a condition? Imagine the learner must complete an activity or view certain content before continuing. If they come back to the same slide later, you wouldn't want them to repeat that activity. In that case, you might set up a true-false variable to track completion. It changes to true once the learner finishes the task. While the variable is false, the next button stays disabled. When it switches to true, the button becomes active again so the learner can move on. Your trigger might read something like, "Change state of next button to normal when timeline starts," on condition that activity complete is true. This approach ensures learners don't have to repeat the activity the next time they visit the slide, and it keeps the navigation logic feeling smooth and intentional.